In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to reach board 27 in Monopoly Go. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Reaching board 27 or any other board in Monopoly Go is extremely simple. The process is going to be exactly the same for any board, so not only board 27, and all that you have to do is play the game and accumulate money. So it all comes down to how much money you have. To check which board you are on and all of the future boards that you will unlock, open the menu and then go over to the map. So as you can see, I am currently on board 5. So to reach board 27, I have to go up to the board 6, 7, 8, 9, all the way to 27. Eventually, when I reach Montreal, I'll be able to use all of my money, and after I do all of the buildings in Montreal, I will unlock Pleasantville. So, like I said, it all revolves around the money that you have. You can use real-life money to purchase in-game currency, or the main way to get it is to use your dice and roll around the board. You will sometimes land on specific tiles, like bank heists and other activities that allow you to get money. Then all that you have to do is go over to the build window, and in here you can add buildings to the current board that you are on. Once you build every single building available here and you upgrade them to the max, which for most boards will be 30 buildings or 30 upgrades, you will unlock the next board in line. So it's as simple as acquiring money from using your dice and then going over to the builds tab where you can spend this money in the buildings that you see here. When you run out of money, all that remains to be done is to go back to the board and use your dice to accumulate more. So you have to land on specific tiles, and when you do, you will play activities like this one that allow you to get more money to upgrade and fix your buildings. I hope I was able to help you on how to reach board 27 in Monopoly Go. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.